Daddy, let's play.
Ouch!
Huh? No. Well, I'm pretty sure.
Ew!
Well, this thing looks weird, but maybe let's try this. Okay. Like, the further we go, the weirder it gets. Ooh! What? Oh! Wow! Well, to be honest, that looks good. And reliable. I don't know. Okay. Huh? What? What's that? I've no clue. Oh my god. I love this girl. Okay, moving forward. Yeah, no? So, what's your plan, girl? I kind of see where this is going. What? No! Okay. Huh? Oh, I get it. I get it. To be honest, I like this trend.
Wow!
Now let's see what is she gonna do next? And what's he gonna do now? I like her way of thinking. Oh, wow. Wow. This is actually so smart. Don't worry. I don't know. What is this? How does it work? happening right now.
What? And what's he gonna do now?
Hey, let me help you. I'll choose.
Okay, I really want to see how it works, so let's see, because I have no idea.
Ouch! I don't know.
So what now? I kind of see where this is going. That's genius, bro!
Ew.
What's he gonna do now? Oh my gosh! I'm so confused right now. What? I worry so much. Okay, I don't know.
Okay, what is she gonna do? That's genius, bro!